This exhibit is called Coral Beliefs, and it's a monumental piece that's supposed to be very immersive and give you a flavor for an underwater world and a fantasy place that I have dreamed up based on my explorations of scuba diving and all sorts of other eco-type travel. And this is called Coral Beliefs because each of the pieces, which comprise an 85-foot piece, it's made up of 25 individual panels, and every panel is named a different belief. And these beliefs are my interpretation of what coral means and what we can learn from coral in terms of being interdependent, and they network together, and to be successful they have to work together, and then they can bloom. But there's also debris shown in this particular showcase, and that's exemplified by plastic and other debris because sadly that's also part of the ecosystem. The goal was to run through all the colors in the rainbow and to really bring out the three-dimensional qualities of what you see underwater. So it's a very sculptural piece, and I got great joy in creating it. It was a really huge challenge in terms of piecing it all together and making all the colors work and having the storyline really move from panel to panel. So the point is to have viewers have an upfront experience, very close up, have one type of experience, and then from far away have a completely different experience.